After many years of being a bit overweighted and have too little exercise, I realized I had to do something. So the problem was that I like cycling, but it's hard to continue in wintertime. So during summer I lost some weight, and in the winter I gave this advantage back. A friend of mine advised me to continue cycling indoor by placing my road bike into a trainer. My first thought was this will never work for me, but after just one cycling exercise I completely got hooked into it. Why? Well, this virtual experience came very close to the real world, and I could cycle with friends at a specific moment in time, climb the Alpe d'Huez, or just go for a relaxing ride through France. Put a nice upbeat music on, filled my water bottles, put the van on and let the magic work. After finishing my ride, I published it on Strava, a sort of Facebook for sporters, where colleagues and friends could give me kudos. This near-life experience helped me to train during winter, and finally I managed to lose weight and become fitter. I don't tell you this short story to brag about myself or to inspire you to start exercising. That's probably relevant for another conference. I'm telling you this because it showed how megatrends like the metaverse, but there are many others as well, sounds over the top or too futuristic, but can actually help to bring change in the way you do your business today. How? Well, imagine a world where we are able to prevent claims from happening by informing customers in advance of a risk they may face. Imagine a world where customers can interact with insurers or brokers in a frictionless way at any time, place and channel that suits them best. Imagine a world where we are able to handle claims in a fully automated way and arrange repair without any single human intervention. My name is Lobatto, and I've helped many insurers across Europe to translate megatrends into actionable projects so that they can reach goals which they thought were hard to achieve. And today I want to share with you some examples of what our customers have done with the technology we provide. Coming back to the metaverse, how could this play a role in your business? Well, let's have a look at AIA, an Asian insurer, who built a complete digital experience where employees were invited to a town hall meeting to receive a business update from their leadership team, but also to meet and interact with colleagues. Some of the employees joined over Teams, others got a VR headset for an even more immersive experience. This is just one example, but you could also think of an entire customer journey or the onboarding of new employees in this virtual world. Now let's switch to a more common activity in the insurance industry, handling claims. During the triage process at UK insurer Liverpool Victoria, around 40% of the claims were straightforward, no-fault claims that are fairly simple to process and resolve. Another 40% were at-fault claims, but the remaining 20% occupy a grey area where liability is unclear or disputed, and the process of resolving these cases can take up to 12 months. Although that had been the status quo throughout the industry for decades, Liverpool Victoria became increasingly dissatisfied about it, and they made a plan to improve their customer experience with a better claims resolution outcome. Liverpool Victoria was eventually able to reduce the number of grey claims to 3.9% by leveraging Microsoft Azure machine learning capabilities. They were able to save a significant amount of money per claim and finalize this project in just 55 days. One of the leading megatrends on everybody's minds these days is sustainability, and it probably will be for a long time. The insurance industry will be impacted by this, not only when you look at the frequency and severity of natural catastrophes, but also when you think about sustainable repair, underwriting of enterprises who are, for example, in fossil fuel business or in the space of sustainable asset management. Munich Re is providing a service to home, office and real estate owners, which gives customers greater insights in climate change and natural hazard risk. They're able to simulate different climate change scenarios and combine these with the incredible amount of natural hazard data that they have gathered over decades. I don't tell you anything new when saying that people are getting older while they are suffering more chronic diseases. In the sector is struggling to find enough qualified personnel, while controlling cost at the same time. Insurers, amongst others, are trying to motivate people to live a healthier lifestyle. In partnership with AXA, we've started building a digital health platform to enable multiple use cases while partnering with both health payers, providers, as well as other third parties. As a first step, this digital health platform wants to orchestrate many complex processes in the sector and provide more value-added services by transforming the way patients interact with health payers and providers. So, to conclude, there are two ways you can look at megatrends. You can think of them as being far away and you have no time to think about them because you're too busy with solving today's problems, like growing your top-line GDP, reducing your claims or expense ratio, or you can start defining a North Star for the years to come. Leverage the data you already have, consider adding third-party data, or build new ecosystems and start executing, because execution is strategic. This is how you can make megatrends work for you. I'm now a year on the way and I lost 12 kilos and feel more energetic than ever before. The digital world has transformed me in an unexpected way. Trying pays off, and I hope we can do the same for your organization.